I'm Izzy, and today I'll be talking about the Tuscaloosa Tornado, which happened on April 27th, 2011. It's also known as one of the worst tornado outbreaks in history. So just some history about this day. On this day, 100 plus tornadoes formed across the states of Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, and this was all due to the supercell thunderstorms. And it was the worst tornado outbreak since April 3rd, 1974. As you can see, here are all the tornadoes that broke out on this day. And so here is a path of the tornado, and some people actually sent in pictures, like here, of different destruction and debris along the path of the tornado, and in total there was about 19 major areas that were hit. So just some statistics about this tornado. It was classified as an enhanced fajita 4 tornado, and the difference between the EF and F scale is that the enhanced scale depends on wind speed, whereas the regular fajita scale depends on the destruction. And so this tornado in Tuscaloosa had wind speeds of up to 190 miles per hour. The path was 80.68 miles long, and the tornado at its widest point was 1.5 miles wide. Its time on the ground was 1 hour and 30 minutes, and in total there was 1,500 injuries and 65 fatalities. So just a bit about supercell thunderstorms, which is why so many formed on this day. They are the least common type of thunderstorm, but they do bring the most severe type of weather, because in a supercell thunderstorm, a mesocyclone can form, which is rotating updraft in the middle here, as you can see here, of the storm cloud, and it's vertical. And another reason why these are so dangerous is because the different speeds, which cause lots of different types of wind. And so the wind shear helps to rotate the storm, which then produces the tornado. And another reason that so many formed is because in 2011 we were in a La Nina cycle, which dipped the jet stream further south. And so all of these tornadoes happened east of what is considered Tornado Alley, and that's because of the La Nina cycle that we were in. So the impacts on humans just across the day of April 27th, across all 3 states. So specifically in Alabama, there was 64 tornadoes and 254 total deaths from all these different, not just the specific Tuscaloosa tornado. 23,533 homes were destroyed or damaged, and this damage was mainly due to the high wind speeds of the day. And then I also found a meteorologist from that day talking about why he thinks that so many people died, because it was 2011, there was pretty good notification about the tornadoes. And so he is actually doing research on all the lives that were lost to try and see how they didn't know or why they didn't decide to take shelter, which I thought was interesting. So I'm Izzy, and that's the Tuscaloosa Tornado.